Beautiful people, VC750. This is a 14-inch blade. They also do a 12 and a 9. This has got tungsten carbide clusters. It's bi-directional, meaning when you get the wear on a leading edge on one side, you can then alternate and turn the blade. As you can see here, it's a superb bit of kit. The great thing about this rip blade, it will literally rip through anything. Pallets, nails, flat roofs, bitumen, felt backing. This will literally go through the whole lot. It's a chainsaw replacement blade. Let's see what it's made of. You've just seen it on a pallet. Now what we're going to do, where it's a rip blade, most importantly, it's a chainsaw replacement. For example, down here, this root on this tree, we can't get a chainsaw in there, so we're going to use this to get right in there and cut out the root. The big root out front. So think of this as a chainsaw replacement. We've done a pallet, we've done a branch in the floor, so an actual root. Now we've got this massive stump, so yeah, let's see what we can do here. So for flat roofs, anything like that, we've just done a pallet, a big root, branches, anything that gets in your way. This thing will pretty much destroy it in seconds. Amazing bit of kit from Marcrist, check it out.